आपका अपना चैनल कोचिंग माइंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे बच्चों के टॉपिक के बारे में, एंड दैट इज डिसिप्लिन इन चिल्ड्रन। Yes, discipline is required and it is necessary because children are growing at very fast pace and eventually they have to live on their own in the society, and society has some norms. You cannot do anything at any given time or at any place, and this is where discipline plays an important role in your child's life. Now, disciplining your child is not a one day task. You need to work with your child day by day, and it's a long run process. Parents should understand that you cannot expect some magic solution for this. आप ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि कल मैंने मेरे बच्चों को डिसिप्लिन के बारे में समझाया तो आज मेरा बच्चा एकदम वेल बिहेव्ड होगा. No, that's not going to happen. You should be very patient. So today I will share some tips which will help to all parents in the process of disciplining their children. Discipline on its own does not work. I believe it starts with a good emotional connection with your child. This brings me to my first point. Build a good emotional connection with your child. If you have a good relationship with your child, whatever you will say to your child is more likely to accept your suggestion. On the other hand, if you do not have good connection with your child or good relationship with your child, even if you suggest him to do something, he will take it other way around and he will become more rebellious. So it is very important to connect to your child emotionally. Now, second thing I would like to tell you is having clarity of rules. Like every house has some of the other rules. For example, किसी घर में रात को 10 बजे के बाद टीवी बंद कर देते हैं. All screen should be shut after 10. Or no one should use abusive language in the house. These are some examples of the house rules. So these rules or norms should be conveyed to your child in an effective way. Your child should understand it so as to he will follow them. So you should have, now you have set all the rules and you have conveyed the rules or norms to your child. Done. But consistency plays very important role. ऐसे नहीं कि आज आप फ्री हो तो आप वो रूल को छोड़ दोगे, ध्यान नहीं दोगे, एंड कल आप जब आप बिजी हो तो आप उसको फॉलो करोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू हैव सम वर्क टुडे, you do not give attention to your child and your child is watching TV for whole day, and कल आप जब फ्री हो तो आप आपके बच्चे के पीछे पड़ गए कि आज आधा घंटा हो गया आपका टीवी देख के, चलो टीवी बंद करो, टीवी बंद करो. दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प. You should be very consistent enough to follow the rules. अगर half an hour screen time decided है तो every time, irrespective of your own schedule, you should tell your child आधा घंटा हो गया आपका, now you have to switch off the TV. Now number 4 will be entire family members have to unite on the rules decided. Many children come from the united families, like dada dadi hote hai, uncle auntie hote hai घर में. So all family members should be united on the rules decided by the family. So child will understand that yes, everyone is taking this rule seriously and I should also follow it. Now, fifth point I would like to stress upon is empathize with your child. Now, what does this mean? You have to understand the situation on your child's behalf. For example, if your child is watching TV since half an hour and you want him to switch off the TV now. So अगर आप बीच में ही जाते हैं और आप आपके बच्चे को बोलते हो कि बेटा अभी बहुत टाइम हो गया है, टीवी बंद कर दो, and you switch off the TV. Of course बच्चे को बुरा लगेगा because that was his favorite cartoon और उसको वो देखना था. Instead, what you can do is, आपको जब पता है आधा घंटा हो चुका है, now it's time to switch off the TV, 10 मिनट पहले ही you go to your child, you sit next to him, put your hands on his shoulder and tell him, बेटा बहुत टाइम हो गया आप टीवी देख रहे हो, अभी 10 मिनट बाद हम टीवी बंद करेंगे, आपका टाइम फिनिश हो गया है. दिस विल प्रिपेयर हिज माइंड 10 मिनट बाद के लिए कि यस बहुत टाइम हो गया है, आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स हैव टू स्विच ऑफ द टीवी एंड ही विल ओबे योर रूल. This will, next point to stress upon is conviction of the rule and stick to them. As a parent, you should be convinced enough to follow that rule. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने रूल बनाया है टू डिसिप्लिन योर चाइल्ड कि कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, सो एज अ पेरेंट आपने भी कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज वन फाइन मॉर्निंग यू आर नॉट विलिंग टू गो टू ऑफिस एंड योर बॉस कॉल्स यू एंड यू स्टार्ट गिविंग हिम सम फॉल्स स्टोरीज. तो आपका बच्चा आपको सुन रहा है. He will believe that this is the way the situation is to be handled. Next time जब उसके friends आएंगे, he will do the same thing. He will learn how to lie. So if you don't want this to happen, you should be convinced about your rules कि कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना है, तो parents ने भी कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलना है. Understood? Now children love when their opinion is valued in the family. So this brings me to my next point. Discuss the rules for your family rather than imposing them onto your children. आपके बच्चे को encourage करिए रूल्स बनाने में, क्योंकि वो रूल्स वो खुद बनाएगा. He will be more inclined to follow them, and this will ensure the good behavior on part of your child. Now, all parents who are listening to me right now, I need to tell you, please understand, remote parenting does not work. आजकल दोनों पेरेंट्स काम पे जाते हैं एंड चाइल्ड इज एट होम इन द हैंड्स ऑफ केयर टेकर और इन द हैंड्स ऑफ ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, एंड मदर कॉल्स फ्रॉम द ऑफिस, बेटा ड्रेस चेंज कर लेना, बेटा ये खा लेना, बेटा वो खा लेना, बेटा ज़्यादा टीवी मत देखना. प्लीज़ स्टॉप दिस. दिस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प द चाइल्ड. टू डिसिप्लिन योर चाइल्ड, you need to work with your child on the grounds. You need to actually spend the time with your child. Then only you can expect the disciplined child. Now my next point is related to previous one. To have an eye contact with your child while spelling out the rule. For example, अगर आप आपके बच्चे को बताना चाहते हो that foul language is not to be used either in the house or in the outside society, you should bend down to your knees, you should go to your child's level, have good eye contact with your child, and then tell this to your child. And of course, जब आप आपके बच्चे को ये बता रहे हो, you should also tell it in a very calm manner. You should also not use foul language. This will help that your child understands the rule, and this will increase the chances of him to be consistent to follow that rule. This brings me to a last point of our today's discussion, and that is being a good role model. I always stress upon being a good role model on my channel, and that is important too, because as a parent you should know आपका बच्चा आपको blindly follow करता है. So it is very important that you follow good behavior so that you can expect your child to be disciplined. So I expect you all to give a thought to all those points which we have discussed today, and hope that you will do a great job during your parenting journey. We will meet next week with some new topic. Till then, bye bye.